Imperial Apartments in Burlingame. Oh snap. Sounds like an Ico motor. Whoa. Superior. Well, I was not expecting that. These are such weird replacements. Cutler-Hammer. Even that was replaced. This is gonna be an awesome motor. This thing is big. It is big. All right. Let's be quiet. It's so cool. And then there's like hallway with like place controller. Look at this really old mechanism. Look, it literally just pushes on a little. These are weird buttons. This might be my first Superior that I've seen with automatic doors. Big cab. Another one. Very nice installation.